Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on REALME 14T. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll all the way down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern, and now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account, and your account now should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign In. And you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And click Accept. Then click Get Started and click Use Password. And now, as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.